Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on Inshot. So I'm going to click on video, and then I'm going to select new, and you can choose a video you want to add it. For example guys, I'm going to select video from my download folder. Okay, for instance, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to clone the girl in this video. But wait, I'm going to change the canvas to fit the screen. And to clone yourself, you can apply the clone effect on InShot. You can go to the effect and then select the AI effect, and then you can go to the clone category, and here you'll be able to apply a multi-clone, shadow, motion, or color. And I'm going to try it one by one to show you how the effect looks like. This is for the multi-clone, and we can increase the value and then change the angle as well. Like this, you can play around with the slider to customize the angle and also the value. Okay, I'm going to make it like this guys. All right, and then this is for the shadow and motion and also color. You just need to choose the type of the clone that you want to apply to your video. And for me, I'm going to select multi clone, and I'm going to increase the value, and then I'm going to change the angle. Okay, just like that. You can use all those effects for your video, but I'm just going to select this one. And then after you're done choosing the clone effect, you can click on the check mark, and don't forget to make the effect align with your video. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to clone yourself in a video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.